Good morning, my name is Victor Raquel Alvarez, and today I will present the development of a tube bending machine complete during my professional internship and service and elastomer rubber. The content is company features, company location, working air rationale, objectives, boiler making work air, Ishikawa diagram, machine design, and manufacturing bending machine. The company's features is service and customer rubber, has more than 20 years of experience, certified and specialist in industrial design, polymers, metal structures, and control device. The company's location is Avenida Tecnológico San Cristóbal de Pontla, Cholula de Rivadavia, Puebla. The working area is during my professional internship. I worked in the boiler making area where processes such as cutting, assembling, and welding of metal structures are carried out. There I identified opportunities to improve the tube bending process. The rationale this project arose from the need to improve the bending process, which was previously done manually. This caused errors, deformations, and rework. Therefore, a tube bending machine was proposed to enhancing quality and efficiency. The objectives is develop a tube bending machine in the rubber service and the assembly division in order to improve times in the forming process, applying the PHBA methodology. And the specific objectives use the Ishikawa diagram to identify and analyze the root causes of problems in the tube bending process in the boiler air. Design the tube bending machine according to the requirements of the boiler making air, train responsible personnel in the operation maintenance and safety measures of the tube bending machine. Determine the performance of the bending machine by verifying the bending performance parameter, reducing material waste and reducing times in the forming process, and implement and continuous feedback system through weekly or monthly surveys of operating personnel to identify errors for improvement in the use of the vending machine. The project development the area where I work. During my professional internship, I worked in the boiler making area where processes such as cutting, assembling, and welding of metal structures are carried out. There identify opportunities to improve the bending process. The process prior to the tube bending machine, before the machine was implemented, tube bending was performed manually or with heat, resulting in inaccurate bends, angle errors, and material wasted. The causes of rework delays and errors in the bending process. Using an Ishikawa diagram, we identified that the uses were caused by a lack of machinery, training, standardization, and measuring tools, and the three importation its method, labor, and working material. It's a following process external to the company, personnel without training in the operation of its specialized machinery, and wasted from poorly made faults is very important. The machine design process is the tube bending machine design was done in AutoCAD, taking into account mechanical stress, select materials and component layout. Steels 9015 and 1045 and 4140 were chosen for their mechanical properties. The complete drawing includes bias, dimensions, and technical specifications that all wait for efficient manufacturing and installation of the machine. Manufacturing was divided into three assemblies: main structure, transmission system, and bending system. They were later integrated and validated through functional tests. The operation involves placing the tube, adjusting the splinters, and activating the drip shaft. The gears transmit the motion to perform the bend. The reference my utilization my work. And thank you for time.